In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 98 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 8 here. We know that 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract, we get 2. Now see that 2 is less than 4, but we don't have any number here to bring down here. Therefore, in this case we will borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 98 divided by 4 is equal to 24.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.